In this video, we will be demonstrating how to repair a weld seam with plate bonding by injection. For this repair, we use BELZONA 1161 to bond the plate and BELZONA 5831 to repair the weld seam by injection. First, we prepare the surface using a power tool. Then we clean the repair area to remove grease, oil, and dirt. We mix BELZONA 1161 until uniform material was achieved. A layer of BELZONA 1161 was firmly applied to the edges with a stiff bristle brush to ensure full contact with the surface. Part of the plate we used is made of acrylic to provide a better demonstration of the injection technique. Additional BELZONA 1161 was also applied to the edge of the repair area. Next, BELZONA 1161 was used to build up the material to ensure a proper seal. The plate was then positioned and firmly pressed onto the repair area. Chamfer the edges with extruded product. The two plates were sealed with BELZONA 1161. We mixed BELZONA 5831 until a uniform material was achieved. Next, we loaded the injection cartridge with BELZONA 5831 and assembled the pneumatic injection gun. Once we reached the vent ports while injecting BELZONA 5831, they were sealed with corks. For more information, visit our website at belzona.com/5831.